Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be big ol' Colourpop unboxing. As you can see, I got a big old box. I'm gonna pick out stuff one by one and we're just gonna go through it, maybe touch on a couple things, and yeah, today's video is gonna be pretty chill. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, because you just should. It's nice. Let's be more nice. So let's just go ahead and get to the video. First off, I have two face milk kits, and they're by Fourth Ray Beauty, which is like a sister brand Colourpop. I've got the Milky Ray and Head in the Clouds, and I'm so excited to use these. It's got coconut, chamomile, papaya, avocado, turmeric, watermelon. Who's not excited about watermelon? I love watermelon so much. It looks like we got another priming product. I've got the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Priming Set Kit. So it's gonna come with the Pretty Fresh primer, the setting spray, and you get the little pink sponge. Ooh. And I just lost it. I'll pick it up later. So you get the spray and the little primer. Alright, what's next? Looks like I got the Colourpop, the big box of lippy pencils. You get 40 of them, and it comes in this cute little box, so you can display them, which I'm going to be doing because this is so cute, and you get so many colors. Like, who would ever think you would need like a blue lippy pencil or a green? Girl, I'm gonna have every color that I need. Like, I was so excited for this, like, you have no idea. I'll give Colourpop an A+ for their packaging any day, for real. And then it looks like I have two blushes. I have one in Count Me In and Get Laid. There's one. I'll get out the other one. Girl, we're gonna be at this video for a while, so if you haven't already, sit down and grab a snack and a blanket, maybe a pillow, but for sure a snack, because snacks are important. Ooh, it looks like I got me some no filter setting powder. I've got soft pink and the translucent. I'm so excited for the soft pink. As you guys know, I love the Becca Hydro Mist setting powder and the Morphe pink setting powder that I just got. Amazing, so I hope this is just as good. Looks like next I've got a blush, the Press Powder Cheek in the shade Frisky Business. I've got another blush from the Disney Designer Collection. Like I said, look at that packaging. That's so cute. If you don't think that's cute, what's wrong with you? This color. And I just got a Pressed Powder Bronzer in Spectacle. I got another blush in Double Bubble from their X Bitty collab. Bitty? I think that's how you say it. I don't know. That's what it looks like. It's pretty with the little bubbles in it. I got this Glitterly Obsessed from the Smoke and Mirrors. Pretty flashy. And then here is the palette that goes with those. There's that one. I got the new Mint to Be palette. Baby Got Peach palette. Oh, it's so pretty. That shade right there, the glittery one. So cute. And I have another palette, Shocker Shock. Love me a good palette, and affordable. Who doesn't love an affordable palette? And plus, I love a good pink makeup look. Next, I grabbed some lip products. I got a liquid lipstick in shade Moon Child. Or I think this is a lip gloss. Let me look. Yep, this is a lip gloss. What is that? It's a collab with Kathleen Lights, who I watch a lot. It's a nice nude color, which I love. And then I got two Just a Tint. I got City of Stars and the Strand. This is the Strand. Nice nude color. Most of the colors I got are nudes. This one is City of Stars. Brown nude. I got a Strawberries and Cream Blush Stick Duo, which comes with a highlight and a blush stick. And a highlight. Go ahead and swatch that. Oh, that's so pretty. And that is in the shade Starbright. Got some more lip products. Ooh, and I got the pretty fresh new creamy concealer, which I had to order online because Ulta didn't have my shade in store. And then I got the Villains Luxe lipstick in the shade Hades, which I remember is another nude. Ooh, look at this packaging. It says Villains on it. And that feels nice. It's kind of heavy. And I have another Just a Tint lip cream in the shade Always Right, which, surprise, surprise, is another nude. And another lip cream called Gimme Schmore. I love things like this that just give your lips a nice color because I have dry lips a lot. It's like I have a highlighter here called Over the Moon. I love Colourpop highlighters. They're so pretty. And then I got this loose pigment because my order was late, which was nice. I think it took about 3 weeks to get to me, and this is in the shade Off the Charts, which is a bit long considering all the stuff I ordered, but okay. And then I got these two lip liner duo from Shayla X Colourpop. It's from the Proceed with Caution. I got Slow Down and Speed Up, just a liquid lip and a liner. And the other one I think is just a bit more brown, or is this the pinky one? Oh yeah, this one's a bit more pinky. And then it just has a lip liner that matches. More things. And then I got another highlighter called On the Cusp. This is another Kathleen collab, I believe, maybe? Yeah, it's like a goldeny champagne. And it's not dark, so I can definitely use it, which makes me happy. This is another Kathleen Colourpop collab. Got stars all over it. Another nude. And it's one of the creamy lipsticks. And then I've got this magnetic palette that she made, Kathleen Lights. And then inside it has her blushes that she collabed with. And then a couple of them are a little dark, so I'm going to try to use those as bronzers. And it looks like I got another eyeshadow palette. And this is a collab with I Love Sarar. I don't know how to say it. That's what it is. Through My Eyes. I just started following her on Instagram. Palette is so pretty, especially this green shade right here. I love that. And I have another palette called Truly Madly Deeply, and I really like this for the glitters in here. So pretty. And then the last items I have are the two Frozen collections. I have the Anna and the Elsa, so you just untie it. And then inside you get a glitter. This one is gold one. And you get the eyeshadow palette, a lip gloss, and a lipstick. That's the Anna palette. And then I'll save the lipstick and lip gloss because I'm definitely going to review both of these in another video. And then in this one you get a silver glitter gel. This is the eyeshadow palette. And I think that is everything that I got from Colourpop. So yeah, that's everything I got from Colourpop. Go ahead and comment any of the stuff that you would like to see me test out. I am going to do a Colourpop full face video, but if there is any specific things you want me to use in that video, go ahead and comment down below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And I'll go ahead and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.